A geocode, or geocode address, is the latitude and longitude coordinates of a specified location on the planet Earth. Let's take the Empire State Building. The address is 20 West 34th Street, New York, New York, 10118. And latitude 40.74861 and longitude -73.9852 is the geocode. There are lots of uses for a geocode, and getting a geocode for a list of addresses is super simple. First, go to smarty.com or click the link in the description. Then at the top, hover over Resources and under Demos, select Bulk Address Validation. Scrolling down a little, you'll find the tool where you can upload your list. Select whether you're looking up US addresses or international addresses. In this example, we'll stick with US addresses. For step 2, upload your list of addresses. Just make sure to include a header row. You may want to enter your addresses manually, but that would take forever. Feel free to download the example file if you're curious about the best formatting to use. The free tool will allow you to do up to 10 address lookups at a time. Once your addresses are uploaded, select Process My List. Your validated addresses will show up below for you to download. When you open this new validated file, you'll see a heaping load of information has been added to your address data, including latitude and longitude. Looking at columns R and S, you'll see the latitude and longitude, and in column T, the precision. If you look up addresses for free, it gives you zip9 precision, meaning accurate down to the block or street. This can be very useful to find districts, zones, or general information about an address. If you're looking for more precise geocoding, you can purchase a Rooftop geocoding license and then do your search again. Once I'm logged in, I can select Tools and then List Processing. There are a few new steps now, such as if I want to use enhanced matching, which I do, and the license I'm going to use. If I want rooftop level accuracy, I need to insert my geocoding license. Now, when I get the results and take a look at them, in the geocoding column, the numbers are a tad different, and the precision is on the rooftop. Rooftop geocoding is the most precise geocoding out there and can be super useful to insurance, zoning, legal, and other industries. If you have questions about batch geocoding, leave them in the comments. Yodel!